Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday with corn and wheat trading higher while beans finished up lower. Mixed again so far this morning. Corn slightly higher on the day while beans and wheat are lower on the day. The corn market trudging a little higher so far this week due to the fact that planting progress on Monday came in lower than expected, and then you've also got some concerns over delayed field work and potential delays as far as planting goes moving forward. So that's supporting the corn market. Now, the southern Midwest and also the South are moving right along as far as planting goes, but up here in the northern Midwest, still a little cold as far as soil temperatures go to get planting underway. So we'll have to see how that plays out moving forward. Bean markets continue to be pressured. Main story remains the letter of credit issues over in China. If you aren't familiar with what's going on over there, the crush margins are terrible over in China right now. Purchasers of soybeans are having trouble getting letters of credit to pay for the soybeans that they bought from South America, so therefore South America is not sending those beans over. That remains a big story over in the soybean market. We could see some of those soybean cargoes come to the U.S. That's pressuring the soybean market as well, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Obviously, we'll keep you updated here on the Wilkins Ag Wire on what the market does as far as that, but as we've seen in the soybean market this week, it's been pressuring it quite a bit. Funds are long. It's doing some technical damage to the charts, what we've seen with these pullbacks, so we could see some continued sell-off due to that as well if we see some funds start to pull out of the market, as they are long soybeans right now. And as far as wheat goes, continuing to trade the weather. We've got some dry situations out in the plains that could support it. Also, if you get some rains in the forecast, it could take some premium out of the market as well. So keep your eye on the forecast as far as wheat goes. Obviously, that will affect corn as well, and we're starting to plant some soybeans now. We'll get the latest soybean planting estimates on Monday. It'll actually be the first soybean planting estimates on Monday in crop progress. So weather continues to be important here in the U.S., as it always is around planting time. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.